You take my pain away. I just wanna hold you all night long. Whenever I'm around you, nothing's wrong. I'm hoping that you'll always be
YouTube, it is Cam and I am back with a video. Today I am taking Mo on a yacht. She does not know. I literally got a rental car and drove her to Tampa. I was like, babe, she thinks we're going on a road trip. She has no idea. I'm nervous because I've never been on a yacht and I know that she's never been on a yacht. But she just turned 20 and I want her to have a good time. I just turned 21 and why not? I'm gonna blindfold her and take her and be like, you have to be blindfolded. Okay, so baby, I already know that you have to be blindfolded. So I'm gonna get blindfolded. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blindfold Mo. And she's gonna be blindfolded the whole way. Okay, can you see?
No.
You swear?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog because I have to drive and I have to use GPS. Hey guys, so we're almost there. Mo is still just chilling over there. Right now, baby, we're downtown, I think.
Downtown Tampa.
Out of the car. Baby, why are you so cute? Alright, let me see your hand so I can help you.
Can I correct myself?
Yeah, you just don't take off the blindfold yet. Can you see? Okay.
My eyes are even closed myself.
Okay, well, I'm gonna walk you up there.
I don't like doing
Do you trust me?
Yeah, I trust you.
Oh my god! I'm just kidding. There's nothing there.
You do that.
There's nothing there.
I feel like I'm walking on. Can I take it off?
No.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Everyone's taking pictures of you. Oh look, they think we're cute. They're smiling. All the people are smiling at us.
Alright, it feels like it's getting darker. Like.
No, we're almost there. Baby, we're almost there.
Hey.
Okay, we're waiting in line, guys.
Okay.
She still doesn't know anything about it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
He doesn't know what's going on.
Wow. Wow.
Come on, baby.
Can I take it off now?
No.
And he doesn't know.
She doesn't know. No.
Oh, this
Wow.
one. Working the whole day, whole week.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the vlog and I'll continue the vlog when we get past security, guys. Thank you.
Welcome.
Can we get you for quick security one?
Okay, I had to go through security. My baby's going through security. She still, I don't think, knows what we're doing because she hasn't seen. But we are on a yacht, baby.
On your handrails, just about sit on the table, sit on the back of the chair, stand on the furniture. Running in horseplay now.
Guys, they have so many food options. I don't know what to get. Look.
Brains, bites, vital pains.
What is this, butter? I didn't know that was butter. That looks like butter. Oh, they got salad.
Chicken.
It's okay.
Guys, this place is beautiful. Guys, look at that. I don't know. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Oh, that's like I've never seen that before. I don't know what to call that or.
That's Transformers, babe.
I wish we can see like some dolphins or like some sea creatures or like manatees or just something, you know, just pop out of the water and say hello. Hi, Mo and Cam. But I guess not. If you guys can see us, comment down below. Give this video a like. Oh, hold on, that's my song. I'm going to end yesterday's vlog here. Cameron's asleep, and it's about you guys can't see it, but it's about 8:13 in the morning, and I just want to end the vlog here because we have another video that we're going to put out today, so stay tuned for that. Why am I whispering? Because she's so cute.